Hi, I'm going to tell you how to make a frame around your video recording using Google Slides and Screencast-O-Matic. So what I've done so far is open a Google Slide and change the background color to what I wanted. And then I launched Screencast-O-Matic, and this time I resized the recording frame so that you could see my whole screen. But when I'm making a recording, I resize the recording frame to the size that I want it around the video. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to insert a text box around my video frame, and I can change the color of that line, and I can change the size of the line. So there is our frame around our video recording. If I wanted to be really fancy, I could insert another text box and also change the color of that box and the size. And then there are also a few different line choices here that you can make. So there we have a little bit of a frame around our video recording. So happy recording, and I hope you make good videos. Thank you.